Hello everyone, greetings from Eyespecs.com. Today, we'll be taking a look at these Porsche sunglasses model P'8613 in color code C. The color of the frame is white. On its temple is a protective sleeve to make sure that it doesn't get scratched or damaged. The lenses are also blue mirrored. On its temple, you'll find the Porsche design logo. The temples are silver and the temple tips are white. You'll also find the Porsche design logo engraved on its top left lens. On its inner right temple is again the Porsche design logo, and that it's made out of titanium, as well as the serial number on its temple tip. On its inner left temple is the model number, the color code, and the dimensions of the frame. 64 is for its lens, 14 is for its bridge, and 135 is for its temples. The glasses also come with a Porsche design hard case, Porsche design box, an authenticity card, a black Porsche cleaning cloth, and a Porsche booklet, as well as the extra lenses. And these lenses are brown. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested to check out these glasses or any of the glasses, head over to the link in the description and check out Eyespecs.com, and have a joyful day.